Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rifia Syaban with the NIM 2025-32100 and I'm from Information System Programs in a C class. Okay, in this video I will explain about practical assignment is a simulation uh, no no explain about drive-through queuing system simulation using the queue data structure with the C++ program like usually. Okay. This code aims to manage the sequence of vehicles entering and exiting in an orderly manner. Okay. The first one, we define a struct antrian drive-through. Okay. Here I use a string array to store uh, with a maximum capacity of 4. Okay. A variable and then variable front and rear serve as indicators for the position of the first and last vehicles in the line. Because this data structure using FIFO concept, first in, first out. Okay. And then there are two essential validation functions. Is empty to check if the lane is empty, and is full to check we don't exceed the maximum capacity or overflow. Okay, we call overflow like fully. Okay, and then there are enqueue function. Using enqueue function, using when a new car arrives, if the queue isn't full, the car is added to the rear position. The goal is to ensure the FIFO, like a concept in this data structure is FIFO, first in, first out principle. Okay, where the first car to arrive is the first one served. Okay, this is a simply example. Okay, and then there are the dequeue function. Is a meaning the service process. Once the car at the front is served, the cars behind is forward using linear queuing shifting. This ensures the front position is always occupied by the next car. Like that. And then lastly, the display function prints the current queue list to the screen. In main function, we run a complete scenario, entering for cars, and then attempt to add car when full, and serving all cars until the queue is empty again. Okay, here are output from the coding. Uh, First, we can see 4 cars successfully entering the queue one by one. Uh, and we use maximum capacity is set to 4. So when the fifth car with the number plate A7890 XYZ tries to enter, the system automatis reject with the message jalur drive-thru penuh or drive-thru lane full. This proves our max limit is working perfectly. Okay. And then the system then display the list of cars currently in line. This is meaning so the operator or cashier knows exactly who to serve first gitu. Who to serve first who and the last who, like that. And then this is the nah, this is the core of the queue data structure. Once the first 2 cars are served, they are exit the list. Notice in a second queue status, the car with plate L9012 HIG, which was in 3, has now moved up to the 1 position. This is the shifting process in action. We call FIFO principle. Okay, and finally, the remaining cars are served until the lane is clear. When the system tries to dequeue again while the lane is empty, it triggers the jalur kosong or lane is empty. This shows our system handles empty state safely without crashing. Okay. Okay. That's all. Explain about this coding or this practical assignment. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.